Today we will be making origami animal bookmark. You will need a square piece of paper, 15 by 15 centimeters, some crayons to color if you need to, a Sharpie to color in the eyes, a pencil to draw, a glue stick to glue in the black paper, scissors to cut in ears, and a black piece of paper to glue it in. First, you move the paper to a diamond shape. Then, bring the bottom corner to the top corner. Now, bring the pointy corner to the top. And repeat the step on the other side. After that, you open both of them. And then bring one flap down. Once you finish that, bring one side and tuck it in. Repeat on the other side. Now, to draw any animal you like. To make my origami bookmark as a hamster, I added the black piece of paper inside and adjusted it to make the right size. I added ears I cut out from more paper, and I made eyes with the Sharpie and a nose and a mouth. I also added spots and more details. I hope you can make this any animal, but I made as a hamster. I hope you like it and will try it at home. Our next craft is a flower pen. So you will need a flower, a pen, floor tape or green tape, a cutter, and a glue gun. The first step is to cut out the flower top and then take this out. Put glue on the stem of the flower and put it inside. Then use the floral tape and tape it around. I add a little bit of glue to secure the tape. If you don't have a glue gun, you can use this tape to wrap it around like this. And then you wrap it around here. Okay, I hope you like it and we'll try it too.